Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, The Catalyst, the home of solutions. Happy to have you back, and I just want to express my gratitude to all of you guys for subscribing and for being part of this team. Okay, today we are going to have a lesson. We are going to start a new lesson, and the new lesson is on a database management software which we are going to use to create our database. Okay, so generally, in the nutshell, we are going to be working on database. Okay, so lesson 1 is going to be the installation and setup of Wampserver. That is the software we are going to use to run our database, or to install our database, okay, to create our database. So under that, we'll start by learning how to download. We'll learn how to download and install Wampserver. Secondly, we are going to learn how to start Wampserver after installation, and then we will also learn how to verify if Apache and MySQL services are running. And you only know that these two services, there's normally 3 services in Wampserver. So we need 2 for databases, Apache and MySQL services. So you only know that it is functional when you have a green icon. So we'll see that, and then we'll also learn how to access MySQL. We'll also learn how to access phpMyAdmin. That's the platform we're going to use to create our database. Okay. Then we'll also see an overview of our software Wampserver, the interface and its component. Okay. So after doing this, let's dive straight away. Let's see how we can get to installing our software. Okay. So here we are in Google. So what we'll do is we'll simply type Wampserver to download. We'll type Wampserver, and then the first option, or the official website, as we can see here, this is the official website of Wampserver. So we'll go directly to the official website where we are going to download. Once this loads, you move down to download. You see here download, and then you click on Wampserver. Once you do that, this forms appears. It appears presently, it's in French. So you fill the form, you enter your name, your surname. I already did that. You choose your country. So I've chosen Cameroon, and then the function. Maybe you can say you're an educator, consultant, developer. Then you fill this, you answer the questions here. Once you've done that, you click on Envoyer. Then the setup will begin. So let's just go. I've already done the download. So I'll go directly to where I have installed or downloaded my software. So I have the latest version here. As you can see, this is the latest version, Wampserver 3.3.7. So you can check here. If you look at this, that is a 3.3.7. It's about 300 and something megas. Okay, so this is it. So we are going to start by installing it. Okay, just wait a minute. Voila. So once you do that, you click on yes. Okay, you choose the language. Now my language by default is English because my operating system is in English. So you click on that, then you tick I accept the agreement. Next. Voila. There is an error. You see that there are some components, some software, some packages that you need to install. And one of these important components for Wampserver to function well is what we call the Visual CPP or C++ redistributable package. Okay, and it has, the message shows here that the 2010 version, 2013 version, the 2022 version is not installed. So because we do not have these components, we cannot install Wampserver. So luckily I already prepared everything. So, and for you to do that, you just go to Google, as I did. You type Visual C++ distribution, as you can see here, and I would prefer we go for the all-in-one. Okay, all-in-one, so that any component, any of these versions that are lacking, you just download. So when you click on that, if you go for all-in-one, you see, you click on this download button here on your left. You click on download button, you choose the server. Okay, you choose any server of your choice here. I'll choose this one, and then it starts the download. This is the download here. I already downloaded it, so I will stop it in order not to waste time. I already downloaded. So now this is our package here installed. This is the all-in-one July 2025 version. So I have unzipped it, and this is what it contains. The folder contains. You can see all the versions here of our Visual C++ apps. So once you have this, you just click on install all. There is a batch file inside. You click on install all and wait. So any component that is lacking, it will indicate here. It will tell you that this, you will install the components that are lacking, the Microsoft Visual C++. Any of the versions that are lacking, it's going to install it for you. But if you already have a version installed, it will send you a message saying that this particular version is already installed. So I'm not going to waste a lot of time because we have other things to do. I will pause, we'll take a coffee while waiting for the installation to be done. So see you later. Okay, so welcome back. So you can see that all the other versions have been installed. We have the 2005, 2008, 2010, 2012, 2013, and 2015 to 2022 have been installed. So that is what is going on now, the installation of the last version, I think, the 2015 to 2022 version. That's the last thing. So let's just wait and see. Let's wait and see. It's taking longer than expected. So once everything is being installed, it's automatically the bash file or the command prompt disappears. So now we'll go back now and try to install our Wampserver version 3.3.7. So now that we have installed all the components we needed, let's go to Wampserver now. Okay, next, just click on this, move, and voila, you see there's no error again because all the components are there. All the Visual C++ packages are there. So move next. So we'll wait for it. It's going to take some time too. So we'll come back after the installation. Once we are done with the installations, we are going to come back. Okay. So we'll pause. You can take a coffee, relax while waiting for the software to be totally installed. Okay, welcome back. So we can see we've already installed almost everything. Now the next thing is that you have to choose your browser, the browser you use to load Wampserver. Okay. Now in this by default it's going to pick Edge, and I don't like Edge because Edge is somehow slow. So I'm going to choose another one. The question says, do you want to choose another browser installed on your system? I'll say yes. So to do that, I'll go to where Google Chrome is. I think it should be here. Where is Google Chrome application? Then I'll select this setup. Now, do you need a text editor? I don't need. So, I don't need. For this lesson, I don't need a text editor. So let's wait for the program to be installed. Just a few seconds again left. All the love. It's installing MySQL. Okay, so we are done. Finish. So now, once you've done that, now we'll move to our desktop. Check this is it, Wampserver. This is it. It's installed here, Wampserver. So we'll launch it. I'm going to start Wampserver. Okay. Once you do that, you click on this, and it loads. You can see it will start all the services of Wampserver. Remember, we said we need Apache and MySQL to do database, to create our database. So we need to be patient. Say be patient. We really need to be patient. It's taking longer than expected. Oh la la. Okay, so all the services have been installed, as you can see. So it's now running. Let's check now. We need to check. Oh, so when you go down to, unfortunately, can I adjust this, my video? So anyway, when you go down, you will see, as you can see, I've clicked down. This is our Wampserver, green. It means everything is okay. Okay, everything is fine. Everything is fine. So we can now click. You just click on it, and this appears. Then you move to phpMyAdmin. You go to the left and take the first option here. Once you do that, it opens in a browser, and in this case, we have chosen Google Chrome. So here now, under user, you just type root, okay, and then you click on login. You see the server choice MySQL, and voila. Oh, sorry. Let's go back. So we can clearly see here, this is phpMyAdmin. So this is the platform. This is where we are going to create our database. Okay, so we can see here, if you want to create a new database, you click on this button, see, and then we can check our databases that are installed. Presently, there is no database in MySQL, so we can also create a database by using an SQL command. But we'll do that in our next class. So thank you very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. For those who are not yet part of this team, those who are not members of this channel, please remember to subscribe. Remember to make your comments if you're facing some difficulties. If you have questions to ask, please feel free. Okay, like them and share this video. Thank you very much, and God bless you. See you in our next class.